Jamal. Jamal is a boy who lives in a poor neighborhood. He has a friend named Kevin, who lives in a wealthy neighborhood. All of Jamal's neighbors are African American, and all of Kevin's neighbors are white. Because Jamal's school district is mostly funded by property taxes, his school is not very well funded. His classrooms are overcrowded, his teachers are underpaid, and he doesn't have access to high-quality tutors or extracurricular activities. Kevin's school district is also funded by property taxes, so his school is very well funded. His classrooms are never crowded, his teachers are very well paid, and he has access to high-quality tutors and lots of extracurricular activities. Kevin and Jamal live only a few streets away from each other. So how come they're growing up in such different worlds with such different opportunities for success? The answer has to do with America's history of systemic racism.
We are the equalizers. Introducing the team. My name is Dr. K. I am the mentor. My co-mentor, Dr. Rebecca Cowen, and our aspiring data scientists, Ms. Jasmine Trippier and Mr. Christine Maneno. We are investigating systemic racial bias in public funded services in the great city of St. Louis, MO. The question is, does there exist racial bias in allocation of public funded services in the great city of St. Louis? We're going to use the sample data, examples of public safety, public health, and public education. And the impact, in our view, to the people of St. Louis is racial justice awareness for the residents of St. Louis and greater Missouri state. Hopefully, we'll be able to convince the skeptics that racial bias is a real problem. We wish to have a conversation about this. Thank you so much.